Yo, what's up, crypto crew? Let's talk about something that's been burning a hole in a lot of your pockets: credit cards and Coinbase. Can you even mix those two? I mean, it sounds like a match made in crypto heaven, right? You've got your shiny new plastic and the promise of digital gold. But hold your horses, 'cause things might not be as simple as they seem. Now, I know what you're thinking. Credit cards are like the universal currency of convenience. You whip him out, swipe, and boom, you're good to go. But when it comes to crypto, things get a little more complex. Coinbase, being one of the biggest names in the game, has its own rules. So, can you actually link your credit card to Coinbase? Well, the short answer is, it's complicated. In some cases, yes, you can. But in others, not so much. Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about why you might even want to use a credit card for crypto. Well, for starters, credit cards offer a level of convenience that's hard to beat. You don't need to worry about transferring funds from your bank account. Plus, if you're smart about it, you can potentially earn rewards on your crypto purchases. But here's the catch: not all credit card companies are crypto-friendly. Some might see crypto as a risky investment and block transactions. And even if your card is approved, you might face hefty fees or interest charges. So, before you go swiping that plastic, make sure you know the terms and conditions. Another thing to consider is Coinbase's own policies. While they do allow credit card purchases in some regions, it's not a universal option. Plus, Coinbase might have limitations on how much you can spend and what cryptocurrencies you can buy with a credit card. So, what are your alternatives? Well, the most common one is to use a debit card. It's generally easier to link a debit card to Coinbase, and there are fewer restrictions. Plus, you're spending your own money, so no surprise fees or interest. But what if you don't have a debit card or prefer not to use one? Fear not, crypto friend. There are other options. You can link your bank account to Coinbase and transfer funds that way. It might take a few days for the funds to clear, but it's a safe and reliable method. And let's not forget about cryptocurrency exchanges. While Coinbase is a popular choice, there are other platforms out there that might have different payment options. Some exchanges even accept PayPal or other digital wallets. So, to sum it up, adding a credit card to Coinbase is possible, but it's not always the best option. It depends on your region, the credit card company, and Coinbase policies. If you do decide to go the credit card route, make sure you understand the potential costs and risks. But hey, don't let this discourage you from dipping your toes into the crypto world. There are plenty of ways to get started without breaking the bank. Just do your research, weigh your options, and choose the method that works best for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on hodling.